Which synonym belongs to apex? The correct answer is height. Which synonym belongs to shyster? The correct answer is pettifogger. Which synonym belongs to abbreviate? The correct answer is curtail. Which synonym belongs to kindle? The correct answer is inspire. Which synonym belongs to terrestrial? The correct answer is rocky. Which synonym belongs to sentient? The correct answer is sensate. Which synonym belongs to rescind? The correct answer is repeal. Which synonym belongs to indefatigable? The correct answer is unflagging. Which synonym belongs to solitude? The correct answer is aloneness. Which synonym belongs to generality? The correct answer is offenness. Which synonym belongs to bludgeon? The correct answer is pummel. Which synonym belongs to great? The correct answer is grill. Which synonym belongs to incongruous? The correct answer is incongruitous. Which synonym belongs to parsimony? The correct answer is frugality. Which synonym belongs to jaundice? The correct answer is icterus. Which synonym belongs to prototype? The correct answer is racing prototype. Which synonym belongs to derogatory? The correct answer is injurious. Which synonym belongs to vituperate? The correct answer is rail. Which synonym belongs to hireling? The correct answer is mercenary. Which synonym belongs to disinter? The correct answer is unbury.